People, from one mechanic to you. When your vehicle's gas struts that hold the hood up don't work, before you bring it to a shop, replace them. They're super simple, super easy, and very cheap. And then I don't have problems where, boom, I used the block of wood that someone provided in here and it's not as great as my hood prop. So I'm gonna put my hood prop under here. Give me a second. There. Luckily, I have a hood prop. Proper hood prop. The way that just dropped on my shit really pisses me off. Especially when it's such a simple, cheap fix. Seriously.